Lord, nag-a-apply for promotion. Lord, ako ang piliin. Lord, sa school may scholar. Lord, ako. Lord, mag-e-exam. Lord, yung iba hindi makapasa, ako makapasa. Tayo, no? We need God most of the time in the important events of our life. Pero, minsan, kinakaya na lang talaga natin tayo lang, na samantalang ang Panginoon gusto ding makialam. This is how much we underestimate God. Do you believe that the Bible says that Christ is your daily bread? Hindi Sunday's bread. Ha? Christ is your daily bread. Ibig sabihin, you will starve without Him. Kung pinipili mo lang siya tuwing Sunday, gutom ka ng Monday to Saturday. Right? Kaya tinan mo yung katabi mo. Kaya namamayat yan spiritually. Tuwing Sunday lang kasi. So tinan mo daily, ang Panginoon ino-offer niya ang kanyang sarili sa'yo. Pero hindi mo nare-realize na kailangan ko pala siya araw-araw.